Hello, guys. Welcome back to our weekly Wednesday podcast. And with you here is Gabriela, as always. I'm hosting the show today, and I have a guest speaker that will be coming in today to talk with us. He's a thought leader in the digital space. He has a wealth of knowledge in digital marketing, SEO, and web design. And his name is Gabriel Showole. He's here with us in the studio. Please let's welcome him. Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing today?
Good afternoon, Gabriela. I'm happy to be here.
Thank you so much, sir. We are happy to have you. And it's quite unfortunate that Bolu, my co-host, is not here with us. He's also somebody that is very digitally sound. So, sir, I'll just go straight into it.
Okay.
So, why is content creation important in today's business?
Well, like I used to say, in the digital space, content is king. You can't run away from it. Okay. Like I always tell my students, if you want to become a celebrity today, just become a content creator. All right. So because the internet always rewards people that create content. Okay. If you look at the online space today, if we don't have content creators, if we don't have content online, then there's nothing like Facebook, there's nothing like Instagram, there's nothing
Sure.
like Google. Because when you do a search on Google, what are you looking for? Content. Okay. And so basically, when it comes to the digital space, content is king. And as a business owner, you know, you want to make sure that you're putting out content there because that is how you stay relevant and that's how you gain visibility. And then ultimately, that's how you make sales. Yeah.
Very
Thank you.
true. Very true, sir. So, how do you think digital marketing has had an impact in the businesses of today, or do you think it has even had an impact at all? Because there's one thing to say digital marketing has an impact, and there's another thing to say you don't think it has.
Well, for me, let me start by, saying this funny sentence. If if everyone is like me, then if you're not selling digitally, you will never make a single sale again.
True.
Why did I say that? 70% of everything I buy today, I get them online. Down to someone who is going to repair my refrigerator.
Okay.
All right, I remember the last time my refrigerator had an issue. I just went to Google and I searched for refrigerator repairer and got the guy's number, called him up, and it was in my house.
No.
I had issues with my generator, Googled it, man, and the guy was around and he was fixing my gen. So, as little as those simple things, I already Googled them. So, digital marketing has really helped a lot of businesses. I used to tell people that if you're looking for what digital marketing can do for your business, then look at Kayshow Concept. All right, because ever since we started, I mean, we've not engaged most of this traditional media like printing of flyers, billboard, and the likes. We've all done our marketing, digitally, and I mean, it's been 4 years now, and
Wow.
we are still strong. So digital marketing has helped a lot of businesses. I mean, without digital marketing today, ladies who just wake up today and say, "Hey, I want to start a business," it's not going to be, it's not going to be possible without digital marketing. Why? When somebody says he wants to start a business, it's just basically saying, well, if I start now, I'll just post it on Facebook, post it on Instagram, post it on WhatsApp,
Yes.
and then I start getting customers. But 10 years ago, it wasn't like that. When you think of starting a business, you first think of the marketing cost of going to a radio, going to
True.
TV, newspaper, and then you just give up on that business.
True.
And that's it.
Okay, true, sir. So, picking something from what you said, that so a lot of people think that digital marketing is just posting on WhatsApp, posting on Instagram, posting. Can you like really elaborate and tell us what digital marketing is really about and the other aspects of digital marketing? Because I know
Okay.
there's also email, SEO.
Great. Well, for every business or for every technology that comes out, people we always have a layman part of it. And the layman of digital marketing is people believe it's all about social media marketing.
Yes.
It's all about getting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and start posting content. But it's way more than that. Okay. Some people the only thing they do is social media marketing, and they even say, "Oh, I'm a digital marketer,"
Marketer.
and then they go everywhere. I'm a digital marketer. I can promote your business and everything. But meanwhile, the guy is just a social media marketer. Okay, so we have other aspects of digital marketing like SEO that has to do with search. So when people go online and are looking for solutions, okay, how well is your business positioned to be discovered on search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and the likes? We also have email marketing, okay, which a lot of people ignore when it comes to digital marketing. All right, and we also have content marketing. So basically, trying to market via content. It's what most of these comedians do on Instagram that people don't know.
Yeah.
All right, and you just laugh, but meanwhile, marketing is embedded in that content.
Yeah.
So that's when we talk about content marketing. We have copywriting, writing sales copy. So there's a whole lot that has to do with digital marketing that most people don't know. We have building a customer journey, building a sales funnel, landing pages, all of those is embedded in digital marketing. So when you say digital marketing, you're saying something big, all right? And it has a lot of children on that. So digital marketing is the mother, and then the most popular child is social
Social
media
media.
marketing.
Social media
So
marketing.
that's what we have today. So yeah, that's what digital marketing is all about.
Yes. So you mentioned something. You said email marketing, and it's actually very important. So why do you think people do not actually believe in email marketing or think it's not as powerful as social media marketing?
Well, I think because maybe email marketing has actually been around for a longer time. I think that's why, you know, before social media, paparazzi and everything came out, we've been receiving emails. We had emails account. I remember when I opened my first email, and you know, all I did was just sending greeting cards. I remember the website, you go to, oh, I just send you a greeting card. And then when I see you the next day, did you get my greeting card? You know, well, those of you that are very young, you might not even know what I'm talking about. So, but, that's what we do with emails then. So email has been around for a very long time. So maybe that's why people on that, estimate the value in it. So they think, oh, the new thing should be the thing working. But email still work because for you to get on Facebook, you need an email account.
True.
For you to get on Instagram, open any account online, you need an email account. So
True.
every single person on earth has an email account who is online. So think of the numbers,
Wow.
think of how many people you can reach via
Reach.
email marketing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, that was amazing. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how well has having a website scaled up your business?
Wow. I would say 8 over 10. It's been amazing. With having a website for your business allows you to automate your business. It takes the stress off you. I mean, most people think when people see me, they say, what does this guy do? Does he even have we just see him on his laptop, pressing his laptop. Does he really have something he's doing? And he's just buying this, buying that. He's living well. I hope this guy is not a Yahoo guy. All right. But the answer is a website. A simple website can allow you to, reduce the cost of saying you want to go and get an office space,
True.
looking for somewhere to rent, putting your stuff and everything. Because you could just put all of that on a website. People chat me up, and then the next thing I'll just direct them to the website. Go and get all the details you want to get there. Especially those who want to, participate in the trainings. So having a website has really helped me a lot because it has automated my business, and lifted a lot of burden off. So I can just be anywhere and be doing business. Somebody chat me on WhatsApp, send a link to my website, and then I receive an alert and everything is done. So the website has really gone having a website has really gone a long way to boost my business.
Yeah, so they pay if for your trainings, it's paid via websites,
Exactly.
bookings via websites,
Exactly.
everything you need. Well,
The downside to that is, in Nigeria, we have different species of people here. Okay, because yes, 90% of everything I do is online,
yes,
but not all my customers, Nigerian customers, are willing to do everything online.
online.
All right, they still have to call you, send you a WhatsApp message, say, "Oh, do you have an office? I want to
Let's come
come
to
to
your
that
office.
office
Yes,
first.
yes, yes,
Let me
yes.
come and pay there." You understand? And it's the most annoying part trying to automate businesses in
In
Nigeria
Nigeria.
because you've spent a lot of resources building the website,
Mm.
adding the payment integration, putting everything there, and just tell people that I've made it easy for you. Just sit down where you are
Well, mm.
and then make a purchase or pay for something or get a service. And people still say, no, let me stress myself. I'm coming to that office. I want to come and see you personally and make payment or do this before
Yes.
getting that service. All
Mm.
right, so well, that's just the kind of
Okay.
market we find ourselves in.